Hi! Sama na kayo sa bago naming adventures! Sa Jolly Town, di mapapantayan. Sarap ng pagkakaibigan. Sa Jolly Town, lahat nagsasabi, it's the happiest place to be. Jolly, jolly town. Come on down. Jolly, jolly town.
Good friends are all around.
Jolly, jolly town.
Yeah, come on down.
Jolly, jolly town.
Good friends are all around. Dito mga pangarap mo ay nagkakatotoo.
It's a wonderful, magical town.
Everybody, let's go, go, go!
Let's go to Jolly Town. Jolly, jolly town. Jolly, jolly town. Good friends are all around. Jolly, jolly town. Come on down. Jolly, jolly town. Good friends are all around. Good friends are all around.
Now, I have the perfect machine to destroy the crystals.
Pero boss, yung Crystal of Cooperation, nabasag ng makinang yan. Pero naayos din ni na Jollibee.
That's why I made some adjustments in my crystal pulverizer. Isang pindot mo lang dito. Madudurog ang kristal at matutunaw.
At pag natunaw, hindi na nila mababalik sa dati. That's clever, boss! Ang kailangan na lang natin yung mga kristal.
At kailangan din natin lagyan ng maraming gas para tumakbo ang aking new and improved pulverizer. Punuin mo ang gas tank mamaya, ha? Para siguradong kumana ang makina kapag hawak na natin ang kristal.
Sure, boss. Mamaya baka mo.
Oo, mamaya. Kasi ang dapat mo inasikaso ngayon ay sundan sila Jollibee. Ha? Kaya ano pang ginagawa mo? Go spy on them so we know where the next crystal will be.
Yes, boss.
Jolly Trump, huwag ka munang gumalaw ha. Malait na matapos.
Okay, Joey. Sorry, I'm just ticklish.
Mukhang seryoso kayo sa pag-ayos kay Jolly Tram, ah.
Yes, Jollibee.
Huwag ka mag-alala.
Jolly Tram needs to be in top condition for our next adventure.
That's right.
Yan! It's done! That's it!
Good job, guys.
Jolly Trump is ready for our next adventure!
Good as
High
gold.
five!
Great.
Ew! Ang dumi naman ng kamay mo, Joey! Ganun talaga yon, Queenie. Lahat ng mga taong masipag, nadudumihan lagi yung kamay. Ah!
Joey talaga.
Joey naman!
Nako, Joey, kailangan mo na yata mag-wash ng hands mo.
Oo nga!
Oh, Joey, thank you so much for working so hard on Jolly Tram.
Oo, dapat lang alagaan natin si Jolly Tram. Kaibigan natin siya at laging kasama. At masipag na tayong dinadala kung nasaan ang mga kristal.
Right?
Aling kristal kaya ang susunod nating hahanapin?
We'll find out as soon as the council calls us. Hey, look!
Aha, check it out. It's the council. Mukhang malalaman na talaga natin ngayon. Let's
Just
go.
in time.
Tara, guys!
Yeah.
Halika na, guys!
Okay.
Halika na!
Come on.
Magandang umaga po!
Magandang umaga rin sa inyo. Jollibee, malapit na natin mabawi ang lahat ng nawawalang kristal.
At ang susunod ninyong hahanapin ay ang kristal ng kasipagan. Its light is fading fast.
Hahanapin namin ang crystal at ibabalik namin dito. We'll do our best, po.
Hindi maaaring mapasa kamay ni Virus Elvira ang kristal ng kasipagan. Pag nasira ang kristal ng kasipagan, wala nang magtatrabaho. mamamayani ang katamaran sa mundo.
Mag-iingat kayo sa inyong paghahanap. Virus Elvira is getting desperate.
But we're also getting better with our research. We'll look for clues on where to find the crystal first. Then, we'll be on our way.
Opo, mauuna na po muna kami.
Sige, mag-ingat kayong lahat.
Goodbye,
Paalam
Council.
po! Bye-bye po!
Paalam.
Yum! Look for places in the Philippines where people are known to be hardworking.
Oo nga.
Yup, Jollibee.
Saan kaya yun? Saan nga ba?
Guys, take a look at this.
Uy, ang ganda oh! Are those mountains? So nice! With stairs!
It says here, these are the famous rice terraces of the Philippines.
Rice
And all of these
terraces,
are
that's
built
right.
entirely by hands.
Galing!
No machines, no bulldozers, kamay lang.
Tama, Popo. The rice terraces are really old. They were built more than 2,000 years ago. There were no machines back then, so they used simple tools and had help from animals like the carabao.
Whew, that must be really hard.
Ang sipag naman nila.
Yung masipag. The people there must be really hardworking to turn mountains into terraces. Yum! Saan to?
The terraces are spread widely in the Cordillera region. Jollibee, we can start our research here in the mountain province. Maraming rice terraces ang makikita dito. Hanggang ngayon, sikat ang probinsya dahil sa kasipagan ng mga nakatira doon. I suggest you begin looking for the crystal in Bontoc, the capital of mountain province.
All right,
Okay.
we got it.
Okay, everyone? That's where we're heading. Who's
Woohoo!
coming with me?
Sasama ko na!
Me too! I wanna go too!
Gusto ko makita ang race terraces.
Dito lang ako sa headquarters, Jollibee.
I'll stay here with Yum to look for more clues.
Guys, are you ready?
Let's go!
Off to the mountains we go! Hi-ho! Let's go! Oh, ikaw na bahala dito, Yama.
Halika na, Twirly! Kailangan pa natin hanapin ang kristal ng kasipagan.
Can't wait to see the rice
Come on, guys!
terraces.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Come on, guys.
Wear your seatbelt.
Aha! Kristal pala ng kasipagan. Rice terraces? Nako, kailangan na ito malaman ni Virus Elvira. Boss! Alam ko na kung aling kristal yung hahanapin. Ang kristal ng kasipagan.
Magaling! And where we will find it?
Sa rice terraces daw, boss.
Rice terraces? Huh. Rice terraces are found in the mountains. There are many rice terraces in the Philippines, Robin Hood. Which one?
Yun lang po yung narinig ko eh.
Kulang na naman yung promotion mo, Robin Hood. Di ba? Puntahan na lang natin ng pinakasikat. The Banawe Rice Terraces. Dali!
Hindi kayo sasama?
Susunod ako! I will prepare to transport my machine there. Now, go and start searching for the crystal.
Okay, boss.
All right. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Look down.
Ang ganda! Excited na ako!
Aren't you guys excited? Yeah. Thanks, Jolly Tramp. Wow, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful.
Ang lamig pala dito.
Kalimutan natin magdala ng jacket.
Ang lamig!
What's that sound?
Uy! Wow! May parada!
Dancing! Ang saya!
Hindi kaya sila nilalamig sa suot nila? Oo nga.
With all that dancing? I don't think so!
Come on, guys.
Join in!
Sali tayo sa dance.
Sige,
Come on!
ito muna tayo, Jollibee.
I wonder what they are celebrating. Magandang araw po, Lolo. Meron po bang pinagdiriwang ngayon?
Magandang araw din sa inyo. Ngayon ang umpisa ng tinatawag naming Lang-Ay Festival.
Yun
Na
pala
kung
yun.
saan, ipinagdiriwang namin ang aming magandang ani. We celebrate the harvest through traditional dances and games.
Masaya naman.
Ako si Bawing.
Kumusta po? Ako si Jollibee. At ito naman si Joey.
Kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti naman nakapasyal kayo dito sa amin. Joey, Jollibee.
Ano po yung sayaw na yan?
Ang tawag sa sayaw na yan ay bumaya.
Bumaya? Cool name!
Ano pong ibig sabihin nun?
Isa itong sayaw at dasal ng pasasalamat sa aming magandang ani. O paano? Iwan ko muna kayo dito at pupunta pa ako sa aming payo.
Kayo daw.
Payo? Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng payo?
Payo ang tawag namin sa rice terraces.
Baka ka nang dun Ang crystal ng kasipagan, Joey. Pwede po bang sumama kami ng aking mga kaibigan, Lolo?
Oy, bakit hindi? Tayo na!
Sige po, mauna po kayo. Susunod kami.
Guys! Guys! Tara na!
What's up? Oh, come on, it's time to go! Let's go!
Bata, anong pangalan mo?
Itnig po.
Taga rito ka, no? Kailangan ko kasi ng tour guide eh. Pwede ka ba?
Sige po, kabisado ko po lahat ng lugar dito.
Ayan, mabuti. Baka may mga kilala ka pang pwedeng tumulong sa akin. May hahanapin tayo sa Rice Terraces.
Meron po. Ang kuya ko at yung kaibigan niya. Teka lang po, tatawagin ko lang po sila.
Sige, aantayin ko kayo rito. Gamitin mo na to para
sige po.
mapabilis ka.
Sige po.
Ganda ng view. Wow, tingnan nyo.
Wow! Ang ganda ng view!
Mamaya, ikutin
Oo
natin
nga,
ito
nawala
lahat.
yung pagod ko.
Tingnan nyo.
Hindi lang kaaya-ayang tingnan ng rice terraces. Diyan nagmumula ang aming kabuhayan. We plant the rice there, the rice we eat every day. Sabi nga ng mga ninuno namin kapag may itinanim, may aanihin.
Tingnan nyo, may mga tao doon. And they're working. Ang sipag talaga nila.
They are fixing the rice terraces. Come, take a look.
Ganun pala. Sige po. Maybe we can help, Lolo. Guys, we can also start looking for the crystal while helping.
Sure, that's a good idea.
Alam nyo, maraming trabaho ang inilalaan para sa pag-ayos ng rice terraces. We have to make sure that the stone walls built around them are strong.
Kahit po may pista, nagtatrabaho pa rin po kayo?
May piyesta man o wala, lagi kami naglala ng panahon para sa pag-aayos ng terraces. Tradisyon na sa amin ang pagiging masipag. Parte na ito ng buhay namin. Pare-pareho yan sa Apayao, sa Ifugao, sa Benguet, at Kalinga. Dito sa Cordillera, bawal ang tamad.
Bawal ang tamad. Bawal ang tamad.
Kahit anong gawain pa, kailangan maging masigla. Kailangan maging masikap. Tanghali, gabi o umaga. Bawal ang tamad.
Don't waste time, make every second count.
Bawal ang tamad.
You can finish anything if you just start.
Bawal ang tamad.
Give it your best, always work hard.
Bawal ang tamad. Laging tatandaan. Bawal ang tamad.
Chores and tasks may seem hard at first, but when you start inch by inch, step Tumatawag si Yum. Si Yum.
Oh, where? Got it. Oh, there. Answer it. Come on.
Anong sasabihin niya?
Hi, guys. Hi, Hetty.
Hey, Yum.
Hi there.
Hey, Hetty.
Nasa Rice Terraces na ba kayo ng Bontok?
Yep,
Oo,
yes,
Hetty.
we are.
It's even lovelier than the pictures we saw.
Show me, Joey.
Ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda.
May nakilala pala na nagdala sa amin dito. Si Lolo Bawing.
Magandang araw!
Hello po.
Have you started looking for the crystal?
Not yet, Yum.
Not yet.
Any clues where we should
Sort of.
start?
That's why we called you, Jollibee. It seems you're in the wrong place.
Huh?
Really?
We are?
Wala sa Rice Terraces ang kristal?
Nasa Rice Terraces pa rin, Diego. Pero wala siya dyan sa Mountain Province. Nasa Banawi siya, sa Ifugao.
We found a video of the crystal landing in Banawe Rice Terraces.
Oh,
Someone
right.
from there happened to catch it on video, and he uploaded it on the
galing.
internet.
Akala niya, shooting star.
I already checked the location of the map. I'm sending you the coordinates right now.
Salamat, Yum.
Thanks,
Hetty.
Yum.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Yum.
Hetty.
Thanks, Hetty.
We have to get going then.
Lolo Bawing, aalis na po kami. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, Lolo
We
Bawing.
learned a lot
Enjoy
today.
po kami.
O sige, mag-iingat kayo ha.
Kayo rin po.
Sige po, salamat
Thank you,
po.
Lolo.
Sige po, paalam po. Bye po.
Ingat po
Paalam.
kayo. Let's go, guys.
Balik kayo.
And off we go to the Jolly Tram. Take your seats, guys.
Robin, no good!
Ay, nandyan na pala kayo.
Did you find the crystal?
Hindi pa po. Pero malapit na.
Eh, siguraduhin mo! Ang hirap pa dali ng pulverizer dito.
Yes, boss. Ah, sabi mo ng mga tao dito, may bumagsak daw na bulala ako malapit sa paanan ng Rice Terraces. Sigurado ko. Yun na yung kristal! Pero nilibot namin yung paligid. Wala akong nakita.
The crystal might be underground. Maghukay kayo, bilis. Baka dumating na sila Jollibee.
Sure thing, boss! Hoy! Mas malalim pa!
I have to hide my machine. That's better. Now, no one will suspect that I'm here.
I think this is where it is. This way, guys. Baka nandyan lang si Virus Elvira and Robin no good.
Get down.
Let's hide.
Oh,
Let's check it out.
is that Robin no good?
You're right, Popo. That's him.
Mas malalim
Naunahan niya tayo?
Guys, do you see Virus Elvira anywhere? Hindi ko siya makita.
I can't see her.
I don't see her
Maybe
either.
she's not here.
I hope they don't have the crystal yet.
Oo nga,
Sana
sana
nga,
we're
Queenie.
not too late.
Guys, let's split into two teams.
Okay, good idea.
Popo, Joey, Twirly, be on the lookout for the Crystal and Virus Elvira. Queenie and
Okay.
Diego, you're coming with me to face Robin no good.
Got it, Jollibee.
Got it.
Let's go, guys.
Come on.
Slowly, guys. Follow me. Give us the crystal, Robin!
Hey! Hanggang dyan lang kayo! Huwag kayong lalapit!
Robin no good, why are you helping Virus Elvira? Don't you realize that if she succeeds in destroying the crystals, the result will be terrible at maaapektuhan ka rin?
Robin Hood! May nakita nga kami kristal!
Ayan na po. Oh no, crystal.
Yes.
This time, Jollibee, we win! Ow! Virus Elvira!
Get the crystals
Oh
from
no!
Robin!
It's
Come on,
Virus
guys.
Elvira! We've got to stop her!
Virus Elvira!
Crystal!
Come on, let's get the crystal!
Nasa akin na ang kristal na kasipagan. Wala na kayong magagawa. I will destroy this crystal for good using my machine. Apo na lang ay bibigay nyo sa Council of Values.
Virus Elvira, give it back!
Kuya, ano pong nangyayari?
No!
Sino po siya?
Yun, sila Virus Elvira at Robin No Good. Gusto nilang sirain ang kristal na nahanap nyo. Ito ang crystal na nagbibigay ng kasipagan sa mundo.
Sila, gusto nila sirain.
At pag nangyari yun, mamamayani ang katamaran sa mundo.
No more time!
Kailangan natin silang pigilan.
Hala, yan na naman gumana.
Empty? Walang gas sa pulverizer? Robin, oh God!
Eh, oo nga pala yung gas! Eh, pero boss, di ba sabi mo mamaya nila?
Kanina pa yung mamaya na yun! Nawalan tuloy sa isa yung pulverizer ko!
Grab it!
Guys, I have the crystal.
Robin! Kunin mo yung kristal, dali!
Uy, tara, pagilan natin.
Take that, Virus Elvira!
You're not winning this time, Robin No Good. Virus Elvira.
Sama palang hangarin niyo, ha? Hindi kami papayag na sirain yung kristal ng kasipagan. Tumulong pa naman kami sa inyo kanina.
Oo nga.
Boss, paano kaya to?
Pinapunta ko na yung sakyan dito. Wala rin palang pakinabang yung pulverizer na yan. This is pointless. Let's just go! Sa susunod Jollibee, ako naman ang magtatagumpay!
John, we can help it!
Get it up.
You got it! Take it off!
Thank you for helping us save the crystal from Virus Elvira.
Pasensya ka na, Jollibee. Hindi namin alam na masamang tao pala yung si Robin No Good. Kung alam na namin, hindi namin tutulungan yun.
That's okay. Niloko naman niya kayo eh. Everything turned out well in the end.
And the crystal is safe!
Did it again.
Hooray! We have to go now. Ibabalik pa namin ang crystal ng kasipagan sa Council of Values kung saan pangangalagaan ito.
Okay, Jollibee, mag-iingat kayo, ah.
Paalam!